If you didn't know already, you can play fun games on your Galaxy Watch 6 or Watch 6 Classic. So if you're having trouble finding games on the Galaxy Watch Play Store, I'll show you how to do that in less than a minute. To install games, first we'll open Google Play Store. Now you can go straight to the deal and search for a game by using the search function. But if the search result doesn't show the game that you're looking for, it means the game is not supported by your watch. But you may find other alternatives. There's also some featured games that you can find by going back to Play Store and scrolling a bit down until you go to Essential Apps, and under that you'll find Games on the Go. Tap on See More, and you'll be able to find a bunch of games. But note that your Watch 6 supports a lot more games outside the featured ones. For example, you can just go back to Play Store and simply search for games. Now if you keep scrolling down, you'll see the games will keep popping up and it will feel like the list is endless. So just go ahead and install the game you like, and you can start playing. So that's how you can install and play games on your Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic. If you enjoyed it, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more.